Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Empties video. I have not had an Empties in a really long time. One was supposed to go up in November and I accidentally deleted all the footage, which I kind of think that was like karma because I ripped apart Mary Kay in that video like so hard. So if you guys want to see my Empties for like the past couple of months, I think this is from like September to December-ish, then keep watching. So I'm going to go through things pretty quickly and I'll tell you if I liked them, if I didn't like them, if I would repurchase, or if I would not repurchase. So the first things I'm going to talk about are two hairsprays that I've used up. First one is this Aussie Awesome Volume Hairspray. This is supposed to lift your style to great heights. It has maximum hold and this has 14% more than TRESemmé. I love Aussie Hairspray. It's one of my favorites. I've used it probably since middle school up until now, so probably like 10 years. It's just honestly one of my favorites and it smells really good. And then the other hairspray that I have is this Suave Maximum Hold hairspray. I liked it. I kind of just bought this because I couldn't find Aussie for a really long time, to be completely honest, and we used this at Sweet and Sassy, so that's kind of just why I would use it, because I liked it there. But it didn't really do anything for me. So if I had to pick a hairspray to repurchase, I would definitely pick up the Aussie one and not the Suave one. Next, I have a couple of masks because I've been using sheet masks a lot. So the first two, I got these Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bombs. This one is, the pink one is the Super Hydrating Glow Boosting, and then the blue one is just the Super Hydrating Mask. I feel like these are very overhyped. They didn't really do anything for my skin at all. And I used them when my skin was starting to get very dry. I followed the directions. Like, they just did nothing for me, which is such a bummer. The next mask is this Tony Moly Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. Now, if you've ever tried this, this is a fun one. It's for your feet. This is going to sound so gross, but I'm telling you guys anyway. You put them on your feet, like the pictures show. It comes with like these little booties, and you tape them on, and then you leave this on for, how long did I have to leave it on for? Like 45 minutes, like a long time. So I kind of just, it was an hour to 1.5 hours. So I laid just in my bed and I like edited videos or whatever. And basically this is that mask that's supposed to make all your dead skin shed. And it worked. My feet were shedding and it was so nice. I loved it. I would definitely repurchase this one. And then the last mask that I have in here is this 15 minutes mask pack Revital Collagen Mask. I like this one. It felt really nice on my skin. I have another one that I didn't try it yet because I have two, like this one and another one. Yeah, I liked it. It felt nice on the skin. I didn't really like notice any differences in my skin, but it did kind of moisturize it a bit. Next we have the CVS Sunless Glow Daily Moisturizer. This is a dupe for like the Jergens one. I love this. I have repurchased this so many times. Next up is this, I have no idea how to say it. It's JHIRMAC Distinctions. Jermac? No idea. This is a dry shampoo. I really liked this a lot. I want to see if I can find this online somewhere because it did a great job. I was able to just like wash my hair once or twice a week with this. I mean, I still wash my hair twice a week. Who am I kidding? But my scalp, ever since I stopped using this, has gotten extremely dry. And I haven't had dandruff in years, and my dandruff's back. So I don't know what's going on, but I really liked this dry shampoo a lot. So like I said in like the intro, one of my empties got deleted. And in that empties, I talked about this Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner, but this is the shampoo. I really like this, and I got this from Walmart. This big size. This is 26.2 fluid ounces or 778 milliliters. It lasted such a long time, so this was great. I really like this. It made my hair feel really good. It has 7 miraculous benefits in every bottle. It's made with Australian aloe jojoba oil sea kelp. So yeah, I just really like this and really would recommend it. Next up is the Garnier Micellar water. I really like this. If you guys remember, I guess it was in my first Empties, I don't remember, but I said I was kind of on the fence about it, but just from like repurchasing it a couple of times, I've learned to really like this. It takes off my makeup really nicely, and I would really like it for just like cleansing my face really quickly in the morning, especially now like on Friday mornings I work really early, so it was just easy to just use this to just clean my face off really quick when I woke up and just like get out the door fast. Next up, I have this simple hydrating cleansing oil. There is hairs on it, I'm sorry. I love this. I got it in a Vox box forever ago, and I just keep repurchasing it because it's that good. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend this cleanser. I have the GLAM Glow Hydrating Cleanser, and that one's just, it's not as good. I like this one so much better. And this just takes off all your makeup. Takes off your mascara, liquid lipsticks. It's just, it takes off everything, and I just love it. I highly recommend this one. Next up isn't like makeup product, but this is just my Johnson's baby shampoo. I use this to clean my makeup brushes, and I just love it. Yeah, that's it. I just love this. It cleans your makeup brushes really nicely. If you're looking for a nice inexpensive brush cleaner, Johnson's baby shampoo. Next up is this Beauty 360 Hydrating Water Gel. This is a dupe for the Neutrogena gel. And then Garnier also has their own too. This one is just way cheaper. I love this. I have repurchased this several times. Again, this is a great product if you have dry skin. It just makes all the dry skin go away, and it is worth the money. It is a little on the pricier side. I think it's like around between $14 to $16, but it's so worth the $14 to $16. Next up is this OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Intense Moisturizing Treatment. I really like this. This is great if you have like dyed hair, bleached hair. It just repairs your hair. It's just a hair mask. I think it could also be a leave-in. No, I'm thinking of a different one. Never mind, don't listen to me. But it moisturizes your hair, and it's just great. I really like it. Next up, we have this Yes to Cucumbers Soothing Sensitive Skin Night Calming Night Cream. I bought this over the summer, which it's not summer anymore. But I bought this over the summer, and I really like this. I got it from TJ Maxx, and it did such a great job moisturizing my skin. Over the summer, my skin got super dry, because I like to just sit out in the sun at the beach. I could do that for literally all day, and my face got a little peely, and this just cleared up that peeliness. Not all the way, but it did a really good job, especially like right here. My cheeks would get like super tight, and this just made them not get that tight. This has like a weird smell. It doesn't really smell like cucumbery. At first I thought my little sister liked it a lot, like the smell, but she actually told me she hated it one day. But it was my mom that likes it, I think. But yeah, this was just really nice, and it was just like really soothing to put on, especially in the summer when you have a sunburn on your face. It just felt really nice. Next, we have my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer Mist. I'm just gonna let you guys figure out if I like this or not. Just go buy this. It's so good. Next, we have the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm obsessed with this mascara, and I don't ever think I'll buy Too Faced Better Than Sex again. But this is just so much cheaper, and it's just as good. Next, we have this Biore Charcoal Acne Scrub. I actually really liked this. I got this in a PINCHme box. Like, it's just a little sample size. But I liked it. It felt like my skin was nice and clean, and I really feel like charcoal does help with any pimples that I get. So yeah, I liked this. It's really good. It says it's great for oily skin, but I have super dry skin, and I felt like it worked fine. Next up is this Sig Magic brush shampoo. I liked this, but I didn't like love it. I would not repurchase this. I'd rather get the Johnson's shampoo. This just, it felt like and smelled like just pure olive oil to me, which I don't mind at all. But I don't know, like, I could have just gone downstairs and used my mom's olive oil, but she would kill me because olive oil is expensive. But it's just like, it was olive oil and it had like something else in it. Like that's all it was. I felt like baby shampoo did a better job. That's all. Next we have this Enlight Super Face Wake Up Eyes Cooling Eye Invigorator. I really liked this. I felt like it did a great job with my dark circles underneath my eyes. This has cucumber extract, caffeine, and coconut water, and I really liked this. It felt really nice when I put it on my skin because it has these like little metal ball thingies, and I think I used this to like the very last drop. It was so good. Next is kind of like random again. This is the Kala Aloe Vera makeup remover wipes. I just got these from TJ Maxx literally because I went to Target and told myself I needed to get makeup remover wipes. Didn't get them and I went to TJ Maxx. I remembered they were okay. I didn't love them, didn't hate them. They were good for the price. They were only like $4 or something like that. So yeah, I mean, it was okay. I felt like they dried out really quickly. That was like the one downside. Next up is another sample, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm cream that I was just talking about. I really like this, and I actually had like a $2 off coupon for it, so I went out and bought it like the day after I used this up, and it's really, really nice. I like it a lot. Next, we have this Max Factor Masterpiece High Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Velvet Black. I got this in a Vox box probably close to a year ago. I really liked the applicator. It's like flat, but then you can turn it and like get a sharp line. The one downside is it dried out within like a week. And I don't know why I held on to it for so long, but it was okay. Where do you buy Max Factor makeup? Like, I've never seen it anywhere. Tell me in the comments. Next is another eyeliner. This is the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen in Blackest Black. I liked it. It was okay. Again, it just dried out really quickly. I just wasn't a fan. Let me see if there's oh, and now it works. This is what it looks like. I am not really a fan of the tip. It was too stiff. And the one that I've been using and liking, the pen is really, it's not stiff, it's very like soft, and you're able to get like that good little flick. But that's only when my eye wants to cooperate. Next we have this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I got this in a sample thing from Sephora forever ago. I hate this mascara, honestly. I don't like it at all. The brush is okay. I just feel like it doesn't do anything for me. I like mascaras that really volumize, and this just is, it's so meh. I don't know, I just don't like it at all. Next up, we have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair. I love this. It's like one of my favorite concealers. I've repurchased this like multiple times. Last but not least is the e.l.f. lip exfoliator. Like, I use this down to the very bottom. I really like this. It makes my lips feel nice and smooth, and it's super cheap. I've always wanted to try the Jeffree Star ones, but they're expensive. Like, I can get this for a couple dollars, like between $1 and $3. I can't remember the exact price. Then like the Jeffree Star ones, like what, $8? And I can just go to CVS like right now and buy this. So I really like this. Does a great job exfoliating my lips, and I've repurchased this a bunch of times also.